Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear students of class 11 of Alhaz Sarwar Khan Degree College, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mullik Nurul Islam, lecturer, Department of English, Alhaz Sarwar Khan Degree College, Shenhati, Digholia, Khulna. My dear students, I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I shall teach you how to change active interrogative sentence into passive interrogative sentence. Look at the slide. Here you see a type of interrogative sentence. The structure of this type of interrogative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. For example, have you eaten rice? You have to change this interrogative sentence into passive interrogative sentence. But for your understanding, you can follow some steps to reach the passive sentence. Look at the slide. Have you eaten rice? Change this sentence into assertive. The assertive form is you have eaten rice. Now change the assertive sentence into passive. Read the passive form. Rice has been eaten by you. Now change this passive sentence into interrogative. Has rice been eaten by you? So, have you eaten rice is active interrogative sentence and the passive form is has rice been eaten by you. Read example number 2. Is he reading a book? Active interrogative sentence. He is reading a book. Assertive form. A book is being read by him. Passive form. Is a book being read by him? passive interrogative form. Read example number 3. Did you play football? Read the passive answer. Was football played by you? Look at this slide. Here you see another type of interrogative sentence. Read the structure. WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Read the example. When did you play football? For your understanding, you can change it into passive step by step. Read the assertive form. When you played football. Read the passive form. When football was played by you. Now change the sentence into interrogative. When was football played by you? So, when did you play football is active form and the passive form is when was football played by you. My dear students, read this slide. Here you see the interrogative sentence with who. Read the active sentence. Who will help you? The passive form will be by whom will you be helped. In this slide, you see the interrogative sentence with whom. Read the active sentence. Whom did you see? Read the passive form. Who was seen by you? Read another example. Whom has he beaten? Read the passive form. Who has been beaten by you? Look at this slide. Here interrogative sentence begins with what. Read the active sentence. What do you want? Read the active sentence. What do you want? Read the passive form. What is wanted by you? Read another example. What has he done? Read the passive form. What has been done by him? Look at this slide. Here I have written some interrogative sentences for your homework. Change these sentences into passive yourself. Today you have learned about the change of active interrogative sentences into passive interrogative sentences. In every sentence, you have seen that active verb is changed into passive verb according to the rules discussed in assertive sentences. My dear students, in this pandemic situation, follow the rules of health. I pray to Almighty Allah for your safety in this pandemic situation. You will also pray to Almighty Allah for us. I end today's online English class here. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.